If you've never smoked a cocktail before, this is going to change your home bar forever. It's about 10 a.m. and sitting here in the Lofi Woodworks studio. It's a nice winter day here in Long Beach, California, so I thought I would show you how to smoke a cocktail. All you really need is a drink, some wood chips, smoker of course, and a torch. I've got whiskey in this glass, but what I really like to do is experiment with whatever I'm going to drink and just see what it tastes like if I add smoke. But if you're a recipe kind of person, there are lots of different types of recipes online. Feel free to explore. The point is the experience. Here we go. Okay, so I've got my smoker. I'm going to put a little pinch of chips in there. You don't need a lot. You can put them in before you put the glass on, after you put the smoker on. Doesn't matter. And we'll get this joint smoking going here. And we're just going to push the flame and the smoke right down into the glass. Let it get nice. And oh, I might need some more butane. All right, well, it's got plenty in there. Put a few chips in, torch it, let it sit for a few minutes, few seconds, I don't know, 10, 20 tops. Then you just pop this off. We've got smoke. Now I'm using some premium cherry chips to just add a little bit of subtle flavor into this whiskey. There's nothing else in here. This is not a old fashioned or anything like that. It is whiskey, some ice, smoked with cherry. And pretty sure it's going to be fantastic. That's tasty. I designed this smoker a while back for personal use, then was giving them out to friends and family. Folks thought it was great, so I turned it into a product. It's hardwood, it's simple, it's classic, no extra gimmicks, no extra stuff, just does a job. There's no veneers or weird inserts or any of those types of things. Fits on almost any rocks glass, and I wanted it to be super simple and classic because it's about the drink, it's about the smoke, it's about the experience. It doesn't need to be overcomplicated. One thing people tend to not think about too much is that the chips actually matter. I personally would only use hardwoods, no fillers, no additives, no nothing, pure natural wood, nothing else. I think that gives the best quality and the best premium experience to make sure that you're truly getting that real rich smoke and not some chemically flavor or anything like that. I recently put together a gift set for some friends of mine, some very good friends of mine, and I wanted to put everything together in a nice little package. So I've got a smoker, some sampling of chips, enough to do, probably 50 drinks each bag. So it's like 200 drinks. And a little butane torch. It's not a porch, it's a torch. Little butane torch to get everybody, to get my friends started. So it basically comes with everything you need. It's a pretty nice little kit. I like it. My friends liked it a lot, so decided that I would make that a product. Okay, well, this is my shop, and everything here is made by hand. Everything is hand finished. I only use domestic hardwoods or sometimes reclaimed and upcycled woods. But for me, it's all about the craftsmanship, the quality, the feel of the wood, even embracing the natural flaws or the natural characteristics. But everything is hand finished, simple, classic. I really want my products, like the smoker, for example, to be something that people value and cherish, something that can sit on a bar and not be hidden away in a drawer somewhere, something that people really cherish and use. I think it's a fun, simple way to elevate your experience, elevate your drinks, and a lot of times just have fun with your friends. Try different wood chips, try different drinks. I enjoy it. Maybe you will too. So if you're interested in trying a smoker, want to get into different types of smoked drinks, I'll link everything below. And please, as always, be kind to one another. Hey, if you like this, please like and subscribe and check out this other video. If you didn't like it, why don't you leave me a bunch of comments about it and like and subscribe anyway?